Today we're going to be cooking some farm-raised Atlantic salmon. We're going to do it a little different. I'm going to put some ginger on top of it and pan sear it. This is the salmon right here. I'm going to season it with a little fresh ground salt, some fresh ground pepper. And I'm going to take some ginger and just smear it over the top of it. So here at C&C we carry a few different types of farm-raised Atlantic salmon. We have a Chilean, we have a Norwegian, and then we have Scottish. Also, one of the spin-off names of the Scottish is a Loch Duart, specifically caught in a specific area in Scotland. Very sustainable. So put a little olive oil in the pan. And once we put the fish in, we're going to season the other side of it. So as you can see, I've just put a little ginger on it. Pepper. Salt. This piece that I'm cooking right now is the tail end of the salmon, so it's going to cook much faster because of the thickness of it. The other piece I have here obviously is going to be thicker, so the cook time is going to take a little longer. Some people like to cook their salmon medium rare, some people like their salmon all the way cooked through. It really is a personal preference. Should take probably about 3 minutes on each side. We'll turn it over. You want to be careful that you don't burn it either, obviously, because of the ginger on it, it's going to start to singe. Sizes of the fish, we get them 8 to 10 pounds, 10 to 12 pounds, 12 to 14 pounds. So the size ranges at a specific time of the year. They can be bigger or smaller depending on when they're harvesting the fish. And you can see right here that it started to cook through. You see the line. We're a wholesaler retail market in Atlantic Beach, Florida. The company has been here for 30 years, and we've been doing retail now for the last 7 months. So I'm just going to take it, I'm going to flip it. As you can see, we've got some nice color and caramelization of the fish. Again, depend the thickness of the fish to how fast it's going to cook. Hours for the retail market are Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. So here we are, about 3 minutes on each side. Nice coloring. I'm just going to take it out of the pan and present it on our plate. Fresh farm-raised Atlantic salmon with some fresh ginger on top of it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.